Okay, so I gotta talk really fast because TikTok only gives us 3 minutes and I talk a lot. So I got mail today and I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. Do y'all know who that's from? Like, do y'all see that purple box? Best freaking packaging in my life. So don't be surprised if y'all see that packaging back there. Here's another little sneak peek. Like, come on now. Look! And this is just like, it done. Okay, so I support smaller brands all day long. I'm a small creator. It goes hand in hand. If you don't support small brands and you're a small creator, something's wrong. But anywho, I have been waiting on this package right at a month. I ordered May 10th. It just got here today. It's June 11th. But it's okay because you have to take into consideration small brands, small businesses do it by themselves, damn it. Like, there's one person, two people max. Like, you got to cut them a little bit of break because we're going in and ordering. You know, and we're placing these orders. And granted, of course, us being makeup lovers, addicts, whatever you want to call us, we anticipate this stuff. But at the end of the day, take your shoes off and put their shoes on and take a consideration of them having to make all these orders for everybody that ordered, especially when they have a new launch or a new release or what have you. Like, just be considerate. Don't be sending out hate mail. Don't be blowing them up all over social media. Social media is the only way they can grow right now with the chaos in this world. So don't discriminate. Not unless you have a legit reason and they just screwed you over. They took your money. You didn't see no product. What have you? Be considerate because 9 times out of 10, there's a legit reason why you ain't got it. Like, they're trying to get to everybody. You can't not have common sense to know you're not the only person in the world, right? Like, you ain't the only one that placed the order today. So this is Don't Be Jelly palette, and now I will buy you two. So fucking mad. Yo, look. And then I went in and got a highlighter and blush because I have not tried hers. And I'm so stoked. I have 9 palettes. This is my 10th palette from Alien Cosmetics, now known as Unearthly Cosmetics. And they do not disappoint. Every single one of them I love and I grab all the time. And as you can tell, I have a lot of makeup, y'all. This is a Z palette, which I did not realize it was this freaking big. Best believe I am going to be going in and grabbing some more of these because the graphics is just me all day. Like, I love stuff like this. Plus, it's huge. And it was hell affordable. Super, super affordable. And it's huge. So, and whenever you support smaller brands, you have singles a lot. And so, yeah, I need it. But yeah, go check out Unearthly Cosmetics. You will not be disappointed. And please be patient with shipping on any small brand. Be considerate. Love y'all.